693-703.
You have counsel? Who was his counsel on the initial? Because this is a re-indictment, my inclination is to assign you the same counsel you already had. Give me just a minute.
Public Defender's Office.
Public Defender's Office.
Rachel Kawaja.
I'll just assign a Public Defender's Office and let them sort that out.
Good morning, Your Honor. Zen Canada, Assistant Public Defender, 0086287 on behalf of Mr. Daniel today. We've had an indictment more than 24 hours. We waive reading of the indictment and enter a plea of not guilty. I'd ask the Public Defender's Office to assign and represent him on this re-indicted matter and ask that a personal bond be set as recommended.
Your counsel, tell me your name, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Zen Canada, Z-E-N, last name C-A-N-A-D-A-Y.
The matter will be heard by the Honorable Judge Sherry Midday. We'll set a $2,500 personal bond. The first pretrial is December 1st of 25. We will assign the Public Defender's Office in light of their previous representation. The not guilty be entered.
Thank you, Your Honor.